I'm on the road quite a bit. We definitely drive, just both of us. It's just me and Mom all the time.
I think we may be on the wrong side of Pasadena, and the grass ain't no shade greener. It's just a little detour.
I am from a small town called Ashe County. We don't even have a stop sign there. We just drive straight into town. There's one red light. I am a cowgirl because I just love the lifestyle of it. I always grew up working cows and riding. I was homeschooled my high school career because I didn't really have time, not that I didn't have time for school, but I had to leave and I had to go to rodeo, and I could do my school on the road. I just really enjoy just being a cowgirl, just being in the small town, just doing my thing. The perfect run for me would probably be a runner for sure. I love the fast calves. My horse just sits square, and the calf leaves good and just throw fast. I love a short score, a big pin. A big pin is fun. I just like to rope, so I'm game with whatever. First generation cowgirl, I mean, I've had to teach myself everything. It's ended up working out good for me in the long run, so I feel like I'm good. Hey, my name is Olivia, and I drink JAX Cowboy Coffee.